Oh, hi everyone. Today we're going to do which is healthy or junk. Please like, comment, share, save, and subscribe. I'm way too excited. I'm even sweating. 20 questions for 5 seconds. This is way too much. Which one is healthier? Correct, it's carrots. Which one is junk? Correct, it's bubblegum. Which one is junk? Correct, it's marshmallows. Which one is healthier? Correct, it's blueberries. Which one is healthier? Correct, it's watermelon. Which one is healthier? Correct, it's grapes. Which one is healthier? Correct, it's yogurt. Which one is healthier? Correct, it's chicken, the healthy one. Which one is healthier? Correct, it's spinach. Which one is healthier? Correct, it's rice. Which one is healthier? Correct, it's kale. Which one is healthier? It's kiwi. Which one is junk? Correct, it's Steckos. Which one is junk? Ooh, tasty. It's lollipop. I'm just going to lick it up. Which one is healthier? Correct, it's egg. Which one is healthier? Correct, it's mango. Which one is healthier? Correct, it's oatmeal. Which one is junk? Oh, it's the cereal. Oh, which one is healthier? It is bananas. Which one is healthier? It's asparagus. Done. Subscribe for the next video. Hi, guys. Now we're going to do Would You Rather Food Edition. Again, guys. Would you rather macaroni and cheese or some chicken? Would you rather fries or chicken nuggets? Would you want some pizzas or burgers? They're popular ones, that's why I use the words. Would you want some apples or bananas? My favorite one is bananas. What is yours? Would you rather popsicles or ice cream? That just tastes too good. Would you rather Oreo or Oreo cake? I chose Oreo cake. They're pretty good. Would you want some cheese balls or some cheese? Excuse me. Would you want some Skittles or M&Ms? Some of these are sour. Sour. Would you want some cake or ice cream chocolate? Would you want some pineapple juice or orange or Coca-Cola? Would you want apple pie or pumpkin pie? Pumpkin pie and apple pie. Would you want some oranges or kiwis? Would you want some Fanta or Sprite? Would you want some Mountain Dew or Dr. Pepper? Famous, guys. I'm famous. Would you want marshmallows or cotton candy? Don't forget to subscribe. Would you want biscuits or Swiss Miss? Would you want some chocolate or spaghetti? Would you want some cereal or milk? Or chocolate milk, I mean. Chocolate milk, just chocolate milk. Chocolate milk. Would you want some nachos or sun chips? Sun chips just taste too good. Would you want some Takis on broccolis? I'm just joking. Would you want Takis or broccolis? Bye, everyone. I mean, not bye. We're going to do another one. Oh, might be the last one, guys. But, guys, there's one thing to remember. Sun keeps the earth warm. And did you know that the sun also helps to grow food? Yeah. Now we're just going to do the ABCs. ABCs. Time to do ABCs. A is the first letter. Did you know? B is the second letter. It's for balloon. C is for cheetah. D is for dinosaur. E is for elephant. F is for flamingo. G is for gorilla. H is for hippo. I is for iguana. J is for jump. K is for kick. L is for love. M is for monkey. N is for nursery. O is for ogre. P is for let's think of something that starts with P. I've used to know a lot of things that start with P. Oh, puppy. Q is for QWERTY, like in the keyboard right now. R is for rough. Okay, it actually starts with a W, but R is for Uno reverse. S is for steal. I'll just steal some money from Mr. Beast. T is take, like steal. U is for let me think what starts with U. Yoop. No, Yoop does not start with U. Yoop doesn't even have U in his name. Let's think. What things start with U? What things start with U? No, not iguana, like I said last time. You are fat. No, I'm just joking. Let's see. What? Let's just say U is for you, since it's technically you. Oh, when I said V for love, I mean L for love, and V is for Valentine's. W is for whale. X is for ox. Y is for yo-yo. Z is a king. And Z is for zebra. So, we're all done. Bye-bye. I can see you next time.